All right, this right here is the good stuff. Check it out. I'm using Mobil 1 full synthetic for trucks and diesel. I'm using the 5W40. Now this is my go-to and my preferred oil for my big boy over here, Brutus. Now, before the comments start flying in and say, why are you using that? My truck is a heavy duty. And it pulls, it hauls, it does truck things. We're full-time RVing, and we're pulling this big old trailer over here you see behind me all the time. And so when I'm doing that, I need to make sure that I have oil that I can trust and count on. And I've always put this in, and it's never failed me. Yeah, wait, where's the wood? I gotta knock on wood. At this point, I just wanna make sure that my truck is getting fed the very best. And for me, this is what I use, and I've had no complaints. So as with anything, check the owner's manual. You're looking for like a CK4 or CJ4, something like that if you have the same type of truck. And anything in that area should get you fine, but this is the one that I'd recommend that I use all the time for my over 3 years of pulling this rig with that truck. I mean, at this point, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? Just keep on keeping on, doing what I always do, and hope for the best.